Hey lovely, so today I want to bring to you a project that I have been on, and I've been watching their progress like gradually, and it has been amazing. This project, I've shared the link on my TG community, where we were in an invite contest and we end from just inviting. I actually invited about 10 persons and I got $29 for doing that. So at first I didn't take it serious. So let's just say I invited more. That means I'll have had more fronts, right? So yes, if you're not on my TG community, you are missing out big time. Like I usually say, you're missing out big time, because as I share updates as it drops, and the link to my TG community is going to be in the description box or my first pinned comment as always. So today I want to present to you Giant Protocol. I'm going to tell you everything about this project, how you need to stay positioned. And yes, if you're not yet bullish on Giant Protocol, I don't know what else you are doing on this space. So yes, if you're new to my vlog channel, you are most welcome. My name is Susan, and this is where I share everything crypto trading, airdrop mining, everything about Web3, and sometimes I share my new favorite recipes at cake, small shops, food trade, commercial drinks from time to time. So yes, this is the channel you want to subscribe to. I also share how to earn money on the side while you are looking for that 9 to 5 job, or even as you are doing your 9 to 5 job. So yes, if you're not subscribed, I don't know what else you want me to tell you. So this is Giant Protocol, and right now, if you're a Web3 jobber, they're currently hiring. They are currently hiring. Now we're on the testnet a few hours ago. Now the mainnet dab is live. The mainnet dab is live. Yes, you heard me. The Giant Protocol mainnet dab is live, and I'm going to walk you through the process. So either in the description box of this video or my first pinned comment, you're going to see this particular link, and you just need to come there and click on the link. So you can copy the link and open it in your Chrome browser. But let me show you the best part, the easiest route. Just copy the link and open it in your Phantom wallet. So right now, what you need to do is to go and download the Phantom wallet. If you don't have a Phantom wallet, go and download it right now. But if you have been mining a drop and you have been watching all of my videos, you should have a Phantom wallet right now. So download the Phantom wallet and just come here and click on the copy segment. So guys, I'm in my Phantom wallet. So in case you're asking me that what's Giant Protocol, I'm going to show you everything you need to know from their X handle, how to join, how to stay positioned. So Giant Protocol is a Web3 infrastructure project that connects AI, DeFi, and real-world assets into one intelligent financial network. Trust me, it uses AI to automate yield optimization, and it also manages risks and make decentralized finance smarter and more compliant. So right now they have a token, right, and that's exactly what the mainnet dab is all about, because we're going to kind of hold their token or invest into that token. So through the token name is called the G token. So through this G token, users can access staking, liquidity, and real world asset opportunities while contributing to a global AI driven economy that is actually built for both individuals and institutions. See, yeah, guys, I'm so excited because I've keyed into this project and I've earned like massively, and I was like, hey, my community cannot be snoozing on this, so let me bring it to you guys. So immediately you copy the link, it's just going to bring you to like your Phantom wallet, and you just come here and click on the search bar just as such, and then you're going to come here and you're going to paste the link you copied. You copy it here, you paste it here. So I'm just going to come down here and I'm going to paste it. Now this is a mainnet dab, has a lot of features, like a lot. Once you click on the link or you copy the link and paste it on your Phantom, just where I showed you, you're going to see a dashboard like this. This is the home page of their mainnet dab. Now prior to now, it was looking something like this, but it was a testnet version of it. So what you need to do is to come down here and you click on connect wallet, and we want to connect our Phantom wallet. So it's going to ask you which of the wallets you want to connect. Now you can connect apart from Phantom, you can connect OKS, you can connect your MetaMask, but I'm just going to use my Phantom because it's easier for me. So you just come there and then you click on your Phantom just as as such. And once you click on your phantom, it's going to like authorize, like ask you to connect a particular account. If you have different accounts on your phantom, you just need to pick a particular account to sign in. So to pop up this signing in message, that is to prove you are the owner of this particular account, and then you come down here, you're going to click on confirm. So if you're watching my video to this point and you're not at taking position, that is, you're not ready yet, I don't know what else I was to push to you. So the next thing you want to do is, right now it's already connected. You can see that this is already connected. So yes, now you need to purchase like node, right? So yeah, you need to like lock it in, and let me assure you that this is going to cook well, because I followed this project for a whole, like follow them back to back, and it's amazing. So you can lock in the 10 million valuation now before it's gone. So they have like a $10 million valuation, and you can lock it for 60 days, and you're going to earn massively from it. Like, you're going to earn massively from it. So you can purchase this node for it has like different segments. You can purchase, the least purchase is 25 USDT. So if you want to purchase this, you just come here, you click on purchase. There's a senior node that is for the senior, 50 USDT. Then there's a diamond, 100 USDT. So these are the nodes that are available right now: the junior, the senior, and the diamond. So let's say you want to purchase this particular junior node. You just come here, or node, you just come here and click on purchase, and it's going to automatically pop up this. It will ask you to purchase this amount. Yeah, you're purchasing this amount, like this amount in USDT, which is equivalent for 220 G tokens, 220,000 G tokens, just like this. And this is the junior level. I show you the swap rate, and you need to lock it for 60 days. Yeah, and at the end, you are going to be having your daily reward per day is going to be 1% of gold. Let me explain this to you. It's going to be 1% of the gold. Don't worry, I have a lot to explain to you guys. So let me just do a breakdown. So when you select that staking method, that is, you want to stake, you want to buy the 25 the junior 25 node. When you stake it, that means it is fixed for 60 days. It's fixed for 60 days, so you cannot withdraw it before the 60 days. So I need to wait till that 60 days before you can make withdrawal. So for the earnings and withdrawal, let me show you here. For the earnings and withdrawal rules, daily, you earn daily G tokens, you earn daily, and then this reward are distributed daily, but a 20% fee will be applied if you withdraw this before the end of the staking period. In other words, you're not supposed to withdraw before the end of the 60 days, but if you decide to withdraw it, they're going to take 20% out of you what you've already staked, which I don't think you should be doing that. So, but if you're going to wait till the 60 days, yeah, you're going to have zero fee withdrawal. That is, you don't need to pay to withdraw, you don't need to pay to swap. And trust me, this is massive. It's massive in the sense that once you stake, you're going to earn, because I've earned like back to back on this project, and not only me, a lot of persons that hopped into this project early have earned from it. So once you've gone through all those rules, all you now need to do is to come down here and just click on purchase. Yeah, you come down here and you click on confirm the purchase. So it's a kind of purchase the junior level for you. If you want to go to for higher ones, you go for the higher ones. I'm not having enough fund right now on this particular account. I'm going to do that on my other accounts, and I'll show you guys what it is. I already told about the staking. I just showed you what to do, what not to do. Like, do not withdraw your staking before the 60 days staking period. So if you come down here and click on this three burger button right here, you come there and click on three burger button. There are other things you can do here. You can check your, this is the home tab, you can check your node purchase. If I click on this node purchase here, you can check on the node purchase if you have purchased any node. I haven't purchased any node on this particular account. If I click on it again, you click on token swap. You can swap, that is, you can swap a percentage of gold, and you're going to get a percentage of G token. Now let me explain it to you, because they don't want you to, you know, some tokens when you stake them, at long run the value depreciates. Now, Giant Protocol is telling you that don't worry, we are going to be staking in gold, like gold. You're going to be staking in gold. So by the time it gets to the 60 days where you want to withdraw, you'll be withdrawing at a very good value for your G tokens. Trust me, this is amazing. This is mind blowing. So this is like if you want to swap, then if I click again on that same three burger signs, it comes to my record. So for my tokens, for my node purchase, if I've purchased some nodes, you're going to be seeing it here in this breakdown. I've not purchased any, and yes, you can see. You can see that I'll be earning, if I purchase, let's say Junior, I'm earning a daily reward of 1.0% of like gold. Then if I've done any token swap, I'm going to be seeing it there. If I click on that three burger signs again, you're going to see the place that shows my assets. So you'll be able to see your G token balance, you'll be able to see your commission balance in USDT, and you'll be able to see what you can swap to. Then your withdrawal balance. I'm just walking through the whole interface of what the G token mainnet that is live just few moments ago is all about. Then if you click on my community, this is where it gets interesting. Like this is one of the things I keyed into that I earn massively on the Giant Protocol. This is my community. Let's say this is the tab of my community, right? And you can become a top inviter and earn high commissions. This one is not, they say like I also shared the leaderboard of what I was paid. So you can become a top inviter and you can earn high commissions. Like your earnings are directly tied to your friends purchasing power and activity. So when you invite your friends to join and then they invest, they buy a node, they get a node purchase, you're going to be earning. So number one, it's any sharing reward. You can build long-term passive income by earning on the ongoing commissions from your friends. That is, for your friends, you'll be earning daily from what they've invested into Giant Protocol. So let's say 20% from the daily earnings of your level 1 referrals. What this means is, like, now if I invite you and you purchase a node, you are my level 1 referrer. Then if you invite somebody and the person purchase the Giant Protocol node, like any of the node, that person becomes my own level 2 referral, but that person becomes your own level 1 referral. Sure, you get it, like that, like a downline. So if I invite you now and you join and you purchase, you become my level 1 referral. Then if you invite somebody and the person purchases, that person becomes my own level 2 referral. Why that person will become your own level 1 referral? You know me very well. If you don't understand, just ask questions in the comment section anytime. I will definitely respond to your questions. Yes. And if you watch my video to this point and not yet subscribe, do me a big favor and subscribe to the channel, because I'm bringing updates back to back. So yes, then for your first referral, your first downline, you're going to be having 20% commission. From the second referral, you're having 10% commission. So they said once the total purchase amount from your referral reaches the following tiers, you receive a one-time high value commission. So if the totals you earn from your referrals, if you get like this 250 USDT, you get 5% reward, and this 5% reward is around 12.50 USDT. So all this are there, so you can always check them out. I don't want this video to be getting longer. I don't want to get it longer. So now the next thing is you're going to come down and you're going to copy your own referral link. Let me show you. You're going to come down here. I'm going to copy your referral link. See, before this video is dropped on YouTube right now, I'm going to paste it in my Telegram channel. So if you're already there, you'll have already seen the link. So just come there and you copy your own referral link, like copy your referral code just like that. And then it is this code that I'm sharing that you're going to paste in your Phantom and you're going to get bullish. Now, once you have done that, you're going to see your total referral commission here in gold. You're going to see the referral performance here in USDT. Yes, so, and if I've started inviting, you see my level 1 referrer in this place. So now, if you're a Web3 jobber, this is where it gets interested for you. The Giant Protocol community or giant protocol project is actually looking forward to hiring people that are going to work with them, like on a personal level, like a one-on-one. And looking for the top 6 performers this period. If you can hit the top 6 performers, you'll be on a base salary of $500. Now, I'm not capping. I'm not saying this to like boost your ego or I'm hyping the project. No, I'm not hyping the project. It is actually something that we've seen happened. And yes, the community is now opening, the team is now opening, saying that yes, they need to work with people. So, and they're also ready to employ ambassadors. But before the ambassadors list comes out, they are saying that they're opening their team to the community so that you can come in and invite people to purchase. And the top 6 referrers, like the all-time top 6 referrers, is going to be working with them, and are going to be officially called the giant team, right? And they're going to, each of them is going to be having a base salary of $500. Trust me, this is not amazing. I don't know what else is amazing to you. So this is what the giant protocol TL or timeline on X or on Twitter looks like. So yes. So this their referral that launch that I just showed you is already live at 27th of October 2025, and as it dropped, that is when I did this video. So I just walked you through how to stay positioned, how to key in, how to end. And trust me, I've earned. I've had some friends and colleagues that have also keyed in and I've earned. So, and this is me bringing officially to my community that yes, Giant Protocol is very real. It's a very solid project. And yes, this is the main alpha right now. So this is all I have to give you today. I'll keep dropping updates on Giant Protocol as it goes. So if these are videos you want to keep seeing, please do well to hit the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell. Also, remember that the link to this Giant Protocol is going to be in my description box on my first pinned comment. Also, remember that you need to join my TG community so that you keep gaining more knowledge about projects that are dropping soon. This year was count, so like we must have a very good December. So that's all for me for now. See you in that subsequent video. Bye for now.